there guys, welcome to my channel. And my today's video I'm going to do this colorful red kind of makeup look. This is Durgapuja special makeup look. So I want to know how I create this colorful red makeup, then please keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get into our video. Before starting the video, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to notify my future updates. Now first I'm going to prime my face with the help of this primer plus makeup setting spray. First I'm going to prime my face. Foundation, today I'm using this MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'm just going to take a little amount of foundation and then apply this. This concealer on my under eyes. Bridge of my nose and my forehead, also on cuticle and chin. Now I'm going to blend this. To set my concealer and foundation, I'm going to use a loose powder with the help of same beauty blender. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrow with eyebrow powder. My eye makeup, I'm going to bake my under eyes. I'm going to use this color as my transition shade. Now I also have a dark color, so I'm going to use this dark color. This maroon color on my eyelid. This is a shimmery color. Middle section, just I'm going to apply this color. This is a golden shimmery color. I just finished eye makeup on both of my eyes. Now I'm going to remove my baking. On my under eyes, now I'm going to apply this L'Oreal Kajal pencil. Now I'm going to apply eyeshadow that I apply on my eyelid. On my inner corners, I'm going to apply silver color eyeshadow. And also in my brow bone. I'm going to use this blunder. To use blush on my cheeks from SM palette. I'm going to use this highlighter to highlight my face. I'm just going to apply highlighter. Wait. Finish my makeup. I'm going to use this red lipstick. Now I just finished my makeup, so I'll be right back after accessorize me after. Now I'm just back after accessorizing on me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give me some thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to notify my future update. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.